Holiday to Maldives to celebrate the Raksha's birthday on 12th March 2021. This is our maiden flight after the COVID situation. Maldives is a group of islands called the archipelagos, and it is just above 1.5 meters above the sea level, making the country the lowest country in the world. We have just arrived in the Malé, the only airport, international airport of this country. From there, we have been shifted to our island on a speedboat. We are on a speedboat to go to the Kanduma Island for the Holiday Inn Resort, which is about 45 kilometers from Malé. This is a Holiday Inn Resort in Kanduma Island of Maldives. It's very, very clean and very nice. And we have taken the villas called beach villas, and also they have many water villas too. So this is a 3 days 4 nights package. We are in Holiday Inn Resort. In this resort we have a lot of facilities like water sports, scuba diving, speedboat, and then water jetting, and also snorkeling. Like there's so many facilities are there in this resort, so one can spend easily 3 to 4 days in this resort. We have a full board dining facility, breakfast and lunch and dinner, and also the drinks, whatever. It's a very composed and then resort having all the facilities for a holiday, a perfect holiday. Because of the COVID problems, we are not allowed to hop on between the islands. So once you go into the same island, you have to relax and then enjoy this same island. Unlike earlier days, we can go between the islands by speedboat. Maldives is around 700 to 800 kilometers from India, and then it's south of India, and it has got about nearly 1200 small islands, also called atolls, of which only 200 are inhabitants are there. So rest of them are people are not there, and most of these are called the atolls. It is the mountain peak inside the sea. This is the central place in the Holiday Inn Resort, where we have library, food, juices, all day food, and also some entertainment and all. Whenever you get bored in the villa, you can come back and enjoy the facilities here. This is next day. We had a free kayaking tour, and then we were able to enjoy this kayaking in the shallow waters of this island. Here the water is very shallow, not much deep, so we can go up to this these small ships, small boats, speedboats, and I can see the coral down. It's really amazing. After spending time on kayaking, here Geeta is getting training on this snorkeling. So they train you here snorkeling in a pool. Once you get used to it, then you can go to the inside the sea for in the evening. We went towards the water villas. We had a nice water shower, rains, and it was really pleasant, not too hot and not too humid. Really enjoyed this wonderful place in water villa. Oh friends, we are in Maldives. This place is called
water villas. Can you see this? Come here, Kantar. See how nicely they built on this. So we are on the sea of Maldives. It's called Holiday Inn Resort in Maldives. Wonderful place. Can just show wonderful azure blue, the turquoise blue water around here. Very nice. These villas.
They have made nice sit-outs so that you can sit on this hut and watch this wonderful ocean and the late evening and sunset. It's really an amazing place to enjoy this beautiful sceneries.
The silver sand beaches here and the turquoise blue waters, and here you can just see this palm making this Maldives the heaven on earth. Welcome to Maldives, wonderful place, very beautiful place.
This is next day. We have been taken for the deep sea snorkeling. So we go about a few kilometers from the island, and then there we have a lot of corals, and then from the boat, and then we get on from the boat and enjoy this wonderful underwater snorkeling and seeing all these corals. You can observe some of them are a dark blue, and some places is very turquoise color. Wherever this darkness is there, the depth is too much. So we'll try to go such a way that where the water is shallow, so that you can go down and see the corals. It was a nice sunny day. We could enjoy this beautiful corals in this region with snorkeling, and it was really a nice time we had. Again in the evening we could go and see this nice sunset, and then the beach view of this wonderful water villas. This is next day. Almost our tour is concluded, and we are getting ready to go to India back. Now we have arrived in Malé. Now getting ready to go to the airport to fly back to India.